There are two ways to create stickers on Canva as requested by one of our community members. And the first way is going on www.canva.com and then searching for stickers. And when you click on templates, Canva will show you 8,305 templates of stickers that are available for you to choose from and to design from. What you can do is to choose the category that you would like as displayed on top here. When you click on the arrow, it will show you more that are available for you to pick and choose any one of the stickers that you want. This channel is notoriously known for logos, so we're going to click on logo stickers to have a look at how the template looks like for logo templates. And when you land on logo stickers, it's a very cool way of adding your branding on your merchandise, and you could just pick any of the templates that you see below, or you could create a blank logo sticker that you want. So it is as easy as that. When you want to go back and you want to have a look at business stickers, for example, these are ways of saying thank you to your customers for buying from you. And if you want to edit one, you just click and you open and you customize the template, and then you replace your branding with your own branding, and you replace your logo as well. And it does give you guidance. It says your logo here. That means we're going to delete the placeholder that says your logo, and we replace it with Learn with Zaz logo. But then you can customize the sticker to suit your branding. So I'm going to click on the canvas itself and change the background and change the colors to suit my branding. And boom, my sticker is done and dusted. I'm happy with that. I can download it and go put it on whatever merch that I want to put it on. The second method of designing stickers is for you to create a blank canvas and then you start designing. My suggestion would be make sure that you have the correct sizes that you need for the design that you're creating. Canva has a design size guide that will help guide you and make sure that you're designing the correct size. So there are different size guides that are available for us. We are going to go to label and we're going to have a look under the label sizes to see what kind of sizes should I be designing for and the pixels that I need to be using, etc. as you carry on. So, and it tells you the name tag should be 3.38 by 2.31 inches. And when you scroll down, it will tell you on how to pick the right label size, how to measure your item, and make sure that you do the correct thing when you're designing. Because the last thing that you want to do is design without having the correct size, and then your design is sent back by the customer and they're upset with you. We did a couple of designs for one of our customers who has launched perfumes and body lotions, etc. in their store. So he gave us all of the right information that we needed, meaning what he wanted on the bottle itself and the ingredients of the body lotion and the perfumes, etc. So we then had to put in a design, and he wanted his cell number on there as well as the warning. And we designed different kinds of sizes for him. And I'm going to show you the end result. And the end result looks like this. So shout out to Bahle Fragrance. We helped him design all of these labels. And as the last thing that I'm going to tell you is make sure you have the correct sizes when you're designing stickers. Their website is bahlefragrance.company.site. Shout out to them. If you're in South Africa and you want to support them, you can find them there. I'll link it on the description below. When you scroll down, they have different beautiful products that are available, and we're honored to be part of their design process of making this product come alive. I hope you enjoyed this short stickers tutorial, and we do have a Canva course. So if you visit learnwithzaz.com, we have a full Canva course that has 53 lessons. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you on the next video.